Hello viewers, this is Charlie from Coder Dojo. Today we will be doing our first tutorial on HTML5, Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to usually create web pages or even websites. To create an officially fully fledged website, it does take a while, yes. You can explore the basic steps of making a web page while you're at with me at these tutorials. So, the first one will basically just be on learning the main tags and how to start a web page, and also different headings. So, the first tag we're going to use is the doctype HTML tag. So, you put, and you use the less than and more than symbols, so surround brackets. So, doctype HTML. This is just saying that the file type is HTML. And underneath, you just put HTML to say that it's formatting the HTML. Then you put a closing tag which has, before the HTML, has a slash, which is basically just saying it closes the HTML. So, then we have the opening head tag, and yet again, a closing head tag. In these, we usually just put one thing. There can be a lot more complicated things to put in when we look more at CSS and JavaScript, but we'll leave it at this for now. So in between these heads, we just put title, and then a closing title. Our title is going to be Hello World. A famous, so basically when famous computer scientists do tests, they always start off with the words Hello World. Just the thing. Then we have the body, so we have the head, which is just a little bit, and then we have the main body of the whole text. Make sure this head and body tags, by the way, go in the HTML tags. So inside the body tags, we're going to put H1, and then a closing H1 tag. This is basically saying it is the main heading for the whole thing. You can have more than one of these, but it's usually advisory just to have one of them, because the actual title only appears at the top when you've opened a tab on it. So this is like the main title of the actual web page. So in this, I'm also going to put Hello World, and then I'm going to put a P tag. And basically, this is, P stands for paragraph in this case. So basically, this tutorial is from Coder Dojo by Charlie A. HTML Whiz. So, now, this is probably the most basic web page someone could ever do. So, now to save it and see what it looks like on the web, save as. So, in this, so on libraries, I have, so web pages and websites, web pages. So I have Notepad stuff and the real deal. Notepad stuff is where you save it as a text document. So you put test.txt, or whatever file you want to call it, .txt. Save. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I do, because this is what I want it to be. Then save as again. This time we do .html, and I'm going to put it in the real deal. The test.html, this is the one that, so if I go on files, then, so in recent files it should have test text document and test Chrome document. So I'll just have a look at the text document. Here it is, and this is it displays it actually in normal Notepad. So yeah, that's that. And then the Chrome document should look a lot like this. Just loading. Here we go. So, Hello World, that's the title at the top bar. And then we have the actual H1. Then, this tutorial is from Coder Dojo by Charlie, HTML Whiz. So it has title, H1, and P tags. Cool. I hope you've learned the basics of HTML from this, and next week, well, or day, or whatever the next video is, we shall be looking at more headings and more just basic tags. Okay, I'll see you next week. Goodbye.